As technology and human labor interact, we'll see a big change, and it brings both good and challenging things. Robots and automation have been taking over many manufacturing jobs over the years. This has made workers worried about losing their jobs. Since 2000, about 1.7 million manufacturing jobs have disappeared, making people concerned that AI-powered technology might replace even more jobs. But there's a silver lining. Some experts believe that AI will create around 97 new jobs by 2025, so it's not all bad news. AI and robotics will open up opportunities in fields like robotics and software engineering. These areas will need people with expertise to design, program, and care for the AI systems, ensuring that they work well in our everyday lives. AI is already changing jobs in many different industries like healthcare, farming, and factories. It's replacing traditional roles with automated systems. When we look at this situation, we'll find different viewpoints. For example, Sean Cho is doubtful about robots and finds humor in their failures, which are often shown on platforms like YouTube. As we look into the future, many experts share a consensus that several professionals will be completely automated within the next 5 to 10 years. A group of esteemed senior-level tech executives from the Forbes Technology Council has identified 15 such professions, ranging from insurance underwriting to customer service. The prospect of automation raises both opportunities and concerns, revolutionizing the workforce landscape. According to a report by the World Economic Forum called The Future of Jobs Report 2020, AI will have a big effect on jobs. It says that by the year 2025, about 85 million jobs worldwide might be done by machines instead of people, and this worries many workers. But the report also gives good news, saying that during the same time, around 97 million new jobs could be created because of AI. This means that the job market is changing a lot, and there will be difficulties and chances for people because of the increasing use of AI technologies. Throughout history, the kind of people and the kind of work people did has changed a lot. At first, most people worked in agriculture, then with the Industrial Revolution, they shifted to production jobs. As automation became more common, humans moved into service jobs. Then the information age came along, bringing big changes. During the informative age, machines started taking over jobs much faster than before, which is a bit worrisome if you think about it. We used to think that innovation would save us, new industries popped up and created more jobs. But now, even though new industries in the information age are growing, they're not creating as many jobs as the old ones did. For example, in the past, a company like General Motors employed over 800,000 people and made a lot of money. But today, companies like Google make even more money with way fewer employees, like about 58,000 or so. This shows that old innovative industries like cars have already reached their peak. Cars had a huge impact when they first appeared, creating lots of jobs and changing lives, cities, and infrastructure. But now, innovation in the car industry doesn't create as many jobs as it used to. Even though we have electric cars and other cool technologies, they won't be able to generate millions of new jobs like cars did in the past. But hold on, what about the internet? Some tech experts argue that the internet's importance is a significant one because, well, the electricity was introduced, a major innovation, of course. However, there's a key difference between these innovations. While the internet has given birth to new industries, it hasn't been able to create new jobs or enough jobs to keep up with the growing population or compensate the jobs. A striking example of this can be seen in the comparison between Blockbuster and Netflix. At its peak in 2004, Blockbuster had a substantial workforce of 84,000 employees and made $6 billion in revenue. In contrast, by 2016, Netflix earned $9 billion, but with a much smaller workforce of only 4,500 employees. The same pattern applies to Kurzgesagt, which reaches millions of people with just a team of 12 individuals. The innovations of the information age haven't created enough new jobs, which is concerning. Moreover, a new wave of automation and advanced machines is gradually replacing human workers. Over thousands of years, human jobs have become increasingly specialized, leading to more efficient and complex processes. While current intelligent machines struggle with complex tasks, they excel at performing narrowly defined and predictable assignments. This ability as narrowly focused tasks has significantly affected jobs in factories. In a 2018 essay, an AI expert and CEO named Kai-Fu Lee predicted that within 15 years, about half of all the jobs would be done by AI. He mentioned professionals like accountants, factory workers, truckers, paralegals, and radiologists as the ones that could be affected, just like farmers were during the Industrial Revolution. Other reputable sources like McKinsey Global Institute, Oxford University, and the US Bureau of Labor Statistics also agree that significant changes are happening due to AI, impacting both specialized workers and blue-collar employees. There are concerns about how AI could affect writing jobs too. While AI might not fully replicate human connectivity, it's already helping with generating ideas and creating repetitive content. AI has also made great progress in art and design. AI-generated art is now being sold for hundreds of thousands of dollars. AI art generators like Midjourney and DALL-E are becoming popular. This raises questions for artists and designers. Some see AI as a valuable tool, while others worry it might be a threat, which is kind of true. Though many believe AI won't reach the fame of certain human artists, fields like graphic design and commercial art could be affected as AI tools get better at following specific design instructions. The future of work is undoubtedly being shaped by AI, and there are different ideas about this and how it will play out. Some will see it as positive, bringing benefits of the workforce alongside challenges. Some believe that increased productivity and efficiency could lead to a shorter work week, which might sound promising in theory. However, this idea comes with its own set of concerns. Its main questions revolve around it and how it would impact pay and benefits for workers and who would benefit the most from these productivity gains. In various jobs, from pharmacists to analysts, journalists to radiologists, cashiers to bank tellers, and even unskilled workers like burger flippers, fewer and fewer humans will be working in the future. But the problem is not just replacing old jobs with new ones. It's essential to keep creating new jobs because the world's population is growing. However, the number of new jobs being created has been going down since 1973 in the US. In the first 10 years of the 2000s, there was no growth in the total number of jobs, which is concerning. The US needs to make about 150 new jobs every month just to keep up with the growing population. In the past, when productivity increased, it was affected, and it was also expected that better jobs would be done too. But that's not happening as much now. For example, between 1998 and 2013, US workers became 42% more productive, but the total number of hours they worked remained the same. This change is also affecting the pay for new college graduates. Their wages have been going down over the past 10 years, and many of them, about 40%, are ending up in jobs that don't even need a college degree. The world we live in today is different from anything we've ever experienced before, and we need to find ways to deal with these changes. But on the other hand, certain industries will rely on human workers even with the advancements of AI technology. These fields include jobs that involve, writing, social work, criminal defense law, teaching, and AI training engineers. While AI can be helpful in these industries, it can it won't replace certain qualities that humans possess, like empathy and social intelligence, for example. AI can assist teachers in understanding how well students are doing and their individual characteristics, but teachers will be experts at connecting with students on a personal level. Similarly, AI tools can aid in generating content for writing tasks, but they have limitations in terms of accuracy and the possibility of spreading false information. These industries will continue to rely on humans' special skills and abilities, and only the humans. There's a chance for society to adopt a shorter work week or explore different employment models. With AI's increased efficiency, people might have more flexible working hours, giving them more time for family, leisure, and personal interests. Governments and businesses play a role in helping workers transition to an AI-driven future. Investing in lifelong learning programs and skills development will help individuals thrive in a changing job landscape. The future of work with AI is uncertain, but it brings both opportunities and challenges. Understanding how AI can impact different industries and jobs will make us make informed decisions. By embracing AI's benefits while respecting human dignity and well-being, we can create a better world where technology enhances our lives without replacing what makes us uniquely human.